welcome to the show. We're in full beard mode today. So, pretty sure I found the issue with the Fiero. Hold on one moment, I'll show you. Got in here, and I found that we had 2 or 3 broken grounds. I was like, oh, that's very discouraging. Broken grounds are a bitch. But that means the injectors are going to work once we get those grounded. Let's pull apart this wiring loom that goes to the ECM there and just find where these wires broke. Huh. Well, that's a bitch and a half. So those are most likely the injector wires and why this car wasn't working. So we're going to have to cut back all of that insulation and get in there and get this thing working. This was probably broken from when the engine cradle lengthened, and that's probably my own damn stupid fault. So, whoops, but let's get it fixed. It works! Hooray, so it's working. Basically, it's got no exhaust, which isn't really a huge issue. I got to reconnect this drive shaft again. So, because I didn't do it the right way the first time, which is my way. So to do that, we got to take off this side and then slot that whole thing back up in there. Then we're going to get this thing back on all 4 wheels. We got maybe something new coming for that this weekend, so we'll see. Yeah, but all in all, great day. I'll show you what I did underneath. So you see that nice collection of wires up there? That's all the wires that were broken. So we got in and we crimped them all together and wired them all up. So now we're going to disconnect the battery, hit that thing with some electrical tape, get everything nice and snug in there, and then we're going to reroute everything up in there. I kind of want to get the drive shaft in before, well, I guess I should do that right now since I'm thinking of it, and then we'll get to the drive shaft issue. Also, a little bit of an oil leak from the oil filter, not a huge issue. So, old car, shit gets out of spec. I also need to put the cover back on for the clutch and all that, but we'll get to that when we get to that.